Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to run ChatGPT locally. To run ChatGPT locally, we need to install the ChatGPT software on our computer. To do that, open your browser and type here install ChatGPT for Windows and open the GitHub link here, and you will get this link in this video description below. Scroll down and here you will find the ChatGPT Windows installer. So click on that to download the installer. Once it's installed, you will get the ChatGPT installer here. So open the installer to install the ChatGPT, and once it's successfully installed, you will get the ChatGPT here. So open this ChatGPT and log in into your ChatGPT account here, and that's how you'll be able to use ChatGPT locally. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.